Let's walk through the steps of creating a redundant Dante network connection with your CL Series digital mixing console. To accomplish this, you want to make sure that you have two switches available, one for the primary network and the other for the secondary network. We will start by verifying that our CL console is prepared for a redundant network connection. When configuring your console for a redundant setup, the first thing you want to do is go to the rack and check the Dante setup window. Look at the status of the secondary port. We want to put our console in redundant mode. Keep in mind, you will need to restart your console in order for these changes to take effect. Next, we will power down the devices and connect them to our switch with a Cat5 cable. The primary port of our CL digital mixer will get connected to the primary switch. This primary switch will also be connected to the primary network port on each one of your remote I/O rack devices. Next, we will connect the secondary ports to the secondary switch in a similar manner. Finally, we will check the unit IDs on each one of our remote I/O racks, then verify that the dip switch is set in a redundant network setting. Make sure your dip switch for your secondary port is set to redundant mode. Set the unit ID for the rack, then turn your I/O rack on. Wait for the network to verify their connection, and then use the Display Selected tab on the I/O rack page to verify that each rack unit is connected.